Hello everyone. So today I'm here with an amazing and interesting question which I got from one of my audience because I like this question, so which is why it's interesting. Uh, so let me show you. Okay, Google Ads structure for lead generation. Hello Ali, many have a certain structure for lead generation STAG, single themed ad groups based on topics. SKAG is out. SKAG means single keyword ad group. We use it too, but are always looking for something new. What are you doing? How do you structure your ads, and what are the best achievements? I'm looking forward to the exchange. Okay. So, okay, what I like about you is you're trying to learn something new. So this is something which I appreciate you. But I think that too much unnecessary tests are not helpful. But yes, testing is a part of marketing strategies, so they need to be done where required. Okay, so if you ask me the perfect strategy for lead generation, Google Ads, structure for lead generation, my opinion is going to be, in structuring the ads for specifically for STAG. My opinion, as told you, first of all, you need to run 3 to 5 keywords. Single themed. Okay, please try to understand single themed, and with ads I may run 1 to 2 ads with all assets extensions. Okay, with all assets extensions. Now I will show you the extensions pass first, then the keyword and a little bit on keyword research. Okay, for extensions you may see now this is an optimized ad you may see around with different ad assets or extensions. So if I remove the ad assets, for instance, if I remove this ad asset, this, you may see now this is a boring ad which people do not like. So I think I work a lot on my ad copy as well, and try to understand your ad copy need to reflect the keyword. So for instance, ad copy need to reflect the keyword. When I say this, please try to understand. For instance, if you are trying to do with STAG, try to understand first of all what is SKAG. SKAG means, for instance, one keyword and 1 to 2 ad for that. Okay, so this is an ad group. Okay, saying one keyword with 1 to 2 ads. Okay, but what happens with STAG is you put 3 to 5 keywords with 1 to 2 ads, as I told you in above. Okay, now I have told you regarding put ad assets, work on your ad copy, do your research, do reflect your keyword strategy. Now regarding the keywords, first of all, I recommend going with phrase match or exact match. That is my keyword bidding strategy. Plus use negative keywords. Okay, negative keywords as much as possible. You can get the data from search terms regarding this. Plus, when you are trying to do the keywords match, okay, please try to understand how STAG is formed. For instance, if I'm trying to target office chairs, okay, this could be a keyword business office chairs, business chair. Okay, please try to understand. Or okay, we have 3 keywords over here. We can put them in exact match or a face phrase match, but this is a theme is office chair. Now business office chairs or business chairs is a part of it. Or maybe if I'm going to give you a better example, for instance, if I'm even further example regarding STAG is a theme, is a pattern you have to follow. Okay, you can run an ad for it. For instance, in another scenario, for instance, if I say vlogging mic. Okay, if I put that topic. Okay, you may read around over here by vlogging mic. Okay, good studio mic. Okay, studio mic. Okay, when you try to run this is not a single theme. Why? Because the logic over here is becoming different. Vlogging mic is good, but once you try to run for studio mic or good studio mic, also they may be relevant, but they are not a single theme. They are different themes. Please try to understand. Need to follow one theme. For instance, office chairs, business office chairs. If I let me get a more idea, I am running a keyword research tool on my over here, so which can suggest me some more keywords as well. You may see business office chairs. So no, this is enough. Okay, so let me run on SpyFu. Maybe I get a data from SpyFu as well. because I want to show you more as much possible as more information, so guys have an idea on this what a single theme is. Just let me log in on it. So I got logged in. Let me. You may see this is Cheers for Business. Okay, this is also a same theme topic. Okay, so I can put it over here as well. This is all same theme. So need to follow the theme. You can see business chairs, business office chairs. All of these are the same theme. Business office chair, business. All is same. Chair for business, office chair business. Okay, try to understand this is an ideal theme. Okay, follow this pattern and use it, and this is a good way. What I structure is I told you regarding my phrase match policy, keyword match policy, ads, plus I told you regarding negative keywords, and that is how you can structure your Google ads for lead generation. Also try to follow up regarding events and create more event based ads as well. This can work as well for some clients. So yeah, I hope this answers your question. Thank you.